Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can free Lana from Dress to Impress. She's actually free, but before that, when you were down here, so there was like an axe here, and the new code was to break in this room right here, and it was to free Lana. But now, since they have made the code available here, and I'm just gonna put on an outfit, and as you can see, well, the axe is still here, but now Lana is free because we literally freed her from this like room here, because this was all like padded, well, not padded, it was like there was like woods here and you couldn't go in this area, but now you can. And Lana is free, but we still don't know where she's exactly, because when you go up, she is still replaced by the new nail artist, which is Lana. So hopefully in the next update, we will get to see Lana's lore and we will get to see her again. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.